Jet Set Radio! Somewhere in Asia, there is a city that cannot be found on any map called Tokyo-to, but everyone just calls it Tokyo. The two hottest things in the streets of Tokyo-to are the punks wearing magnetically driven inline skates powered by newly developed Netrium batteries and Jet Set Radio, a pirate radio station manned by the DJ Professor K that plays nothing but non-stop hardcore music. Those street punks have been named Rudies by the people of Tokyo-to. They roam the streets and cover the city with their personal graffiti, claiming that it is their way of expressing themselves to the world. However, ever since the metropolitan government and the financial conglomerate, the Rokkaku Group, combined their efforts to co-found the 21st Century Project, the streets of Tokyo-to have never been the same again. Police crackdowns on the Rudies have become more severe, and Captain Onishima is more anxious than ever to put them behind bars. The streets of Tokyo-to are ready to explode.
Hey, you!
Yeah! Nice!
Hey, you! Yeah! Ho!
Yeah! Nice! Yeah!
Hey, you! Yeah! Ha! Yeah! Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Ha!
Nice! Nice! Yeah! Nice! 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 Nice!
Hey, you!
Yeah. Ha, nice. Ha ha ha.
The music just turns me
Yo! Yeah! Uh-huh, uh-huh! Oh, yeah, yeah! Uh-huh!
Nice. Yeah. Oh.
The music just turns me on.
Ha. Nice. Nice. Oh.
The
Yo.
music just turns me on.
Ha. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Oh.
The music just turns me on.
Ha. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Oh.
The music just turns me on.
Ha. Nice. 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 Ha. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha ha ha.
Yo!
Hey out there, this is Tokyo's very own #1 pirate power station, Jet Set Radio! Over the hood, through the streets, and right into your brain. We're transmitting our signal straight to you. Y'all got your antennas on or what? Yeah, we're riding high on a smooth stream of supersonic sound. And I'm your captain and DJ, Professor K. Jet Set Radio! 3 gangs are fighting for the Tokyo streets. In the west, from Benkincho, the city of the night, we got those high-tech maniacs, those mad machines, the noise tanks. And in the east, from Koganecho, the city of the sunset, it's that crazy monster mask-wearing gang, Poison Jam. And from Shibuya-cho, in the south, the city of daylight, it's those troublemaking punks, the GGs.
Now that you're feeling real
The
tipsy,
GG's home
let me
turf,
take you on a
Shibuya
trip.
Show was just a tap. Was it Poison Jam? They were talking about spreading out there. Or maybe it was the noise tank, trying to send a system crash through the whole city. Listen up, all you innocent fools out there. Officer Onishima has got some special order Kisatsu bracelets all ready for you. So, get yourselves to the bathroom and brush those teeth, boys and girls, because a whole load of trouble is heading your way.